There are now less than few days remaining to the earliest rumored date for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's release. Samsung's next anticipated flagship phone is likely coming in January to wage war on the titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Aside from the potentially earlier announcement and release date, we seem to already know a lot about the upcoming device thanks to the wide barrage of leaks and rumors flying around. One thing is for sure, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be a major step in the Galaxy S series evolution going forward. We don't expect Samsung to raise prices and sell a more expensive Galaxy S24 Ultra. The starting price will likely start at $1,200 for the 256GB version, $1,300 for the 512GB one, and $1,619 for the range-topping and super premium 1TB version of the flagship. That was the pricing of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we are hopeful that those price tags will remain set in stone. Now the most important part. Should I wait for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? You should wait for the Galaxy S24 Ultra if you have kept yourself from upgrading the Galaxy S22 Ultra or Galaxy S23 Ultra and are rocking on an aging Galaxy flagship. Think Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy S10 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra. Upgrading to the Galaxy S24 Ultra from any of those will almost certainly give you insane value and a vast improvement of your overall phone experience. You should not wait for the Galaxy S24 Ultra if you have just scored a flagship in the last 2 years and have no qualms about it, as flagship smartphones have peaked long ago and the overall new tech adoption has somewhat slowed down. Upgrading every 2 years is no longer necessary. Thus, if you have a fairly recent phone that does the job for you just fine, it's somewhat unlikely that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the second coming of the praised. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.